Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your home screen a mess? If yes, let's clean it up by rearranging your apps in just few easy steps. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen where your apps are. Now simply tap and hold any app icon you want to remove. And after a second, the app will lift and you will feel a slight vibration. Now drag the app to where you want it. Move it to a new spot on the same screen like this, or drag it to the edge to move it to another page. And if you want to group apps, drag one app on top of another like this. You can even name the folder whatever you like by tapping the folder name here. And to remove the clutter, drag unused apps to the remove or uninstall option that appears at the top or the bottom. And that's it. That's how you make your Android home screen neat, organized, and just the way you like it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.